Today, Maddy and Buddy are explorers on a mission to find the legendary Whispering Waterfall.
The map says it's close, Buddy.
Suddenly, Maddy and Buddy reach a place where the path goes in two different ways. One side is bright, but the other side is misty. Maddy starts to go toward the bright side. He thinks that the way is clear.
Come on, Buddy. This way looks easier.
But Buddy's sharp ears hear something else.
Huh?
Maddy stops and walks back to Buddy. He kneels down to Buddy's level.
What is it, boy?
He closes his eyes to listen.
Let's hear it.
You're right, Buddy. I hear it now. Good job.
Maddy realizes that sometimes you have to stop and listen to find the right way.
The misty path looks kind of mysterious. Let's see what's hiding in there. Wow, look at that!
They push through a wall of giant leaves to reveal a beautiful, small waterfall falling into a turquoise pool. The Whispering Waterfall is more beautiful than the stories. Near the water, Maddy finds a group of thirsty forest rabbits.
The waterfall's the only safe place they can drink.
He realizes the waterfall is the only place they can drink safely.
We found it, Buddy. The Whispering Waterfall. It's real. And the stories didn't even come close.
We must keep this place a secret, Buddy. It's for the animals.
Maddy and Buddy walk away from the waterfall, looking back one last time as the sun begins to dip. Maddy learned that being a great explorer means being a great listener.